Hey YouTube, this is Bruce, and I just want to say thank you so much to all the people who supported me about this book. This is one of my first books on cybersecurity, and obviously I got some work to do and getting better on this, but I'm working on it because I have another book coming out really soon, within the next 2 weeks. Let me actually give you a sneak peek of what that one looks like. It's actually about control families. And obviously this one's take me a little bit longer because there's 20 some odd control families, and I'm going through each one of these. It's like, what does the information system security officer do with each one of these control families as they're going through? What are they doing when in the implementation phase? What are they doing in the assessment phase? What are they doing? How do they prepare for this? Who do they contact? Stuff like that. Things to look out for, gotchas, the main controls you need to focus on, what the control actually means, like what does the family actually mean? That's like one of the biggest things. That's coming out really soon. Stay tuned for that. I'm going to be releasing this out to the people who are signed up for free on my website. I don't know if it'll be free, but it'll be pretty cheap, but you gotta be on that newsletter to get access to it. It'll be on Amazon. And as soon as I get it on Amazon, I'm going to let everybody know that it's out there. And then that's how I've been putting this thing out. But thank you for everybody who's given me reviews on Amazon. I really appreciate that. I want to show you guys something that people have been asking me on YouTube for a long time, which is to make a security control assessment course. This is coming out really soon. And the link is in the description below for all this stuff, that if you're interested in this. Another book I'm writing, a whole series of risk management framework ISSO type books where we're talking about focusing in on the NIST 800 control family. We got one for controls, one for assessment. All those are coming out soon. Obviously it takes me a little bit to write it. If you're interested, give me your email and I can send you that. But here's the draft of the course. I actually have a lot of the videos done. I just need to go through it, put some downloadables in there, and finish this thing out. So I'm still working on it, but there's a link if you're interested in that. It's still in draft, so you can't actually purchase it just yet, but just if you follow me, you'll see it. Another thing I wanted to tell you guys about, if you didn't know, is I have an audio of this book. If you are too busy to actually sit down and read a book, an ebook or a paper book or whatever, what I found is I read a lot of books, but most of them these days are on Audible. Audio books. If you are on audible.com and you already have a membership, then you can actually use your credit to purchase this book right here. It's only an hour and 30 minutes long. I cut out all the stuff you don't need, like, of course, obviously the links and all the extra BS. I just took it all out so you can just focus on what you actually need to do as a risk management framework information system security officer. What are the actual steps of the 800 NIST family? So that is what that book is about. But the more robust book is coming out soon. It will also be an audio book. So here is where you get it from. I'm going to put the link in the description below. And it's a 30-day trial. If you don't have Audible, if you don't know anything about this, or you have another account, you want to make a free one, you get this book for free. And then they got other free stuff on there too, like all kind of fiction books. It's a really cool thing. I actually read a lot of books from there every year. Another thing I want to show you guys about that I think people just don't know about is that I've been putting out these videos about how to get jobs, and I think that these are pretty important. I mean, they're only 15 seconds long, and I put them on TikTok. If you didn't know, I have a TikTok at ConvoCourses. Go ahead and check that out, sign up, follow me, all that kind of stuff. But I put these out. They're only like 30 seconds to 15 seconds long because I want to just get straight to the point and say, hey, here's the job. I get so many job offers. That's what's happening, is I get so many job offers because of the method that I use to get these jobs. I get so many opportunities that I can't possibly use them all. You know, I can't. So 99% of them, I'm putting them out there for people to use. And I'm sure somebody's going to get some kind of use out of these things. But yeah, that's on TikTok, it's on Facebook Reels, and then it's also on YouTube. So stay tuned for those jobs. And I think that was all I wanted to say about everything. But I'll see you guys really soon. And I'll be releasing tons of videos, so stay tuned for that. Check you guys out later. Thank you for following me. I appreciate everybody.